Get the point. Take a step forward.
So on the conversation on social engagement right here, we are having a couple of youths who are going to share with us their thought and understanding on social engagement. Allow them to introduce themselves. Hi.
Hi. I'm Eli Kipto. I'm actually happy and blessed to be here today. Okay, my thought on today's on social engagement, I have a different view that men are thought to be hunters, but not all men have that aspect of trying to see a girl or trying to shoot a shot. So my aspect is this: if a lady has find an interest on a man, if he shows the moves, that's well and good. So that
You think girls also should embrace?
yeah, I think that they should take part in this. Yeah.
All right. Hi, please. What is your thought on the same?
Hi, I'm Brenda Chipkemoy, and thank you for this. Okay, I think on social engagement and relationship, it's two-way traffic. A man can come approach a lady, but also a lady, if a lady has an interest to a man, he or she can make a step. But again, men want to feel that masculinity, like he's the one who has approached the lady, like, yeah. But again, if a lady wants a man, he should not go and say, oh, like, John, I like you and I like everything about you, no. Like, do something that will make them understand that you like them.
So men should start.
Men should start, yeah.
So ladies should not.
Uh, they should not actually.
All right, you change your mind. Okay. Please, let's hear your thought.
Hi, I'm Emily. I have a different opinion. Me as a lady, I can advise that if I'm a lady and I've seen someone whom I like, honestly, I just show interest first. And for me, showing you interest, it's like I'm giving you a hint, like, I really like you. I haven't said that I like you and I want to, but I really like you, so I'm giving you that chance of saying that I like you. You should approach. Yep.
Okay, so Wasama, thank you so much for your thought. Hi.
Hi, I'm Gloria, and I think I'd say with the current generation that we have, I don't think the lady should approach. We've been told that we should just make ourselves show the interest, cause most of the time the men that we're dealing with at this point, they'd be like, if a lady approaches me, she's cheap. So then afterwards, because a lot of ladies have done that, and at the end of the day, they've been demeaned just because they decided to make that bold step. Yeah, so I don't. Okay, yeah, you can, but the men that you're dealing with at this point, no, they're not that promising.
So on a spiritual angle, as in a religious space like this, what will be your thought?
In a religious angle, you can do that, because we as Christians we know something about being courteous and everything. So what? Yeah, do if you like someone, approach them, talk to them, because we are talking about being Christian. So I think it is okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
My name is Cyrus. Yeah, I come from Omodewan. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. What will be your view on dating someone not from SDA?
It's a bit trouble for me because dating someone from me, as in from outside the church, is not advisable. Yeah. It has some issues, as in some circumstances. Yeah.
What is the issue? You see, this is a matter of love.
For example, it's someone who is going to bring you some issues when you're going to church. He doesn't want to go with you, so it might have end up with a big problem. Yeah. Yeah.
So what will be your advice?
You get someone from church. Yeah. Yeah.
From within SDA.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Let's hear your feed.
Introduce myself first. My name is Leroy. I'm from Jericho, and I've come here today to at least to share something with other people and to see how to control myself.
What is your thought on this conversation?
I think getting someone from outside the church or SDA, it's a bit challenging because you have to teach them what to do or what to say or how to wear, some things like that.
We'll practice.
Yes?
We will practice.
If
Either you get me to SDA or I get you to the other side.
either can do.
All right. Sacha tusikie yako. What is your view on the same?
Oh, my name is Dominic, and me, I prefer that you follow is where you are. when you're a SDA, just look for an SDA lady for you to speak the same language. So, you know, when you're dating like a different tribe, different religions, it will be even difficult when it comes to language. Yeah, yeah.
Na kama hakuna MSD amekubamba?
I think I just wait. Yeah, I think I just wait. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Welcome.
All right, all right. Do you think that it is good to date someone not from SDA?
Okay, thank you. My name is Hilary. I come from Umoja SDA, Umoja 1. Yeah, on the first question, to me, as someone who has grown up in SDA, I don't, yeah, within the SDA. Yeah, because it is easy religious-wise, in terms of religious beliefs. Someone who share the same religious beliefs, like we know the Sabbath is on Saturday. So it is easy when you say that let's go to church. It is easy, not that maybe.
Story in adventure.
Exactly. Adventure we can plan the next day, Sunday.
So we can plan with others, of course, not just Sabbath.
Yeah, what do you, I think,
Tunaweza plan hii story with other people, not necessarily wako SDs.
no. To me, lazima tu. According to me, the dating I must just be someone of the same faith, someone from the SDA. Yeah, for it to make things easier. Yeah.
Okay, between men and women, who should make the first approach?
Of course, as a man, I expect to make the first approach. Yeah, I should make the first approach. Of course, a lady might make an approach. But it is kind of tricky, honestly speaking. I feel a man should make a first approach. Of course, a lady might show a sign to make things easier for me to make the approach. Yeah, but
So if she approaches,
she approaches, it depends. Yeah, it depends.
utashusha ngazi.
I might.
It depends. All right, let's work with that. Of course, please introduce yourself. Then what is your feeling on dating someone not from SDA?
Okay, I'm Liz from Kasarani SDA. My perspective about dating someone not from SDA is if someone is, I'm okay with it, but if someone is willing to change, to join my faith, yeah.
Why should they join? Si just focus na mtu mmoja basi.
How?
Focus na SDA.
See, that is calling a soul inside. Yeah, that's one way.
So you feel like it's good to interact.
Yeah, it's good to interact. They will be attracted by our faith, so that's fine for
What
me.
if they'll not?
If they not know, yeah, because it will bring a lot of issues in future. Yeah.
Then kama italeta issues, mbona hata first approach in the first place?
You're giving it a shot. Is the world everything you don't know the answer or the outcome? So till the outcome shows, all the best.
Right. Do you think that ladies should approach?
Ladies, no. I highly not recommend that. If for ladies, I'm a lady. If I approach and get rejected, I'll really feel bad. So no, I'll just wait to be approached.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you approach, what is the decency in it?
The decency in it is that the guy saw you. He spotted you. Before, there were a lot of people there, but he spotted you. Yeah, that's the decency in it.
That is the feelings. All right, come closer, please. Please introduce yourself. And of course, what will be your take on dating someone not from within the premises the Sabbath?
Hi, my name is Samuel Makini from Jericho SDA Church. My take on dating someone from your same faith, I think it builds you as an individual, faith in faith. So let's give an example. For example, you need someone to support you spiritually. Yeah. So if you find someone from outside your faith, it gives you wrangles and struggles.
Isaac support.
Isaac support. Ningo.
Na spiritual design zake.
There is something you say, date someone from same as from your faith. Like hautakuwa na shida mingi, like someone went for practices, maybe.
What seems to be the problem? Shida mingi ni kama?
Shida mingi inagonga, this person doesn't understand your faith first. And most cases inagonga, maybe they are like, SDA, they do these things and we do these things. For example, when it comes, maybe you have kids as a family. Maybe you are an SDA and you married someone who is not. Maybe on Sabbath you take your kids to church. On Sunday, maybe she takes the kids to church. When these kids grow up, they will have issues to choose which faith to follow. So I think it's good if you have a common faith.
So do you think that ladies should engage first?
No. Individually, if you approach me, I'll say no. Because I think men are meant to be hunters. There's a way ladies put themselves in a strategic point that men see, so as to be hunted, but I'm not supposed to be approached like how. I'm like, hey, no, I cannot say no. I'm like, there's something wrong with you. Why are you approaching me? Yeah, I think there's something.
Okay, approach na demu utasikiaje?
Nasikia vibaya. Like, I'm like, no, that's not you.
Sawa, okay. Na ukiapproach alafu akatae?
Akikataa, men, we are fond for rejection and we are good for it. Ukirejectiwa hapa, enda tafuta kwingine. We are not like ladies utaanza kusikia vibaya. Utarejectiwa alafu itakupatia psyche ya kwenda kutafuta mahali kwingine. Yeah.
Thank you, nice suit. Hi, please introduce yourself and what is your thought on all this?
I'm Ochino Vincent. About dating someone who is not an SDA. Personally, I don't choose people based on their religion, but on their spiritual holdings, what they hold. Wanatafuta nini, wanamjua Mungu kwanza, because you can hold someone yani SDA, but SDA yake ni tatizo, yeah. So to me, I believe if you get someone, depending on any religion, provided you connect, is a better feel to me. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think? Should women, ladies make the first approach?
It's an issue, but I believe some does, but to me, it will be quite weird. Yeah, it will be.
Wewe akikuapproach utafeel aje?
Of course, itachukua muda wangu kwanza kufikiria mbona, because it is something uncommon. So itachukua muda kwanza nifikirie what the response I should give to her.
So do you think itakuwa positive?
Perhaps it can be, yeah, provided na intention zake. Unajua kuna yule hata ku approach na intention mbaya. Yeah, provided the intentions are clear and direct, I can do.
All right, thank you. Let's listen to this as well. Hi, please introduce yourself and do you think that it's good to date someone from not from SDA?
Okay, my name is Martha Isaac. I'm coming from Kariobangi district. Actually, it's not so good to be outside the religion due to some factors which may affect the family when the family upgrow. Get example like when you have kids, or sometimes you may be working and you come late from job, then definitely sometimes it's on a Sabbath, which is Saturday, and your husband or your spouse wants you to just go and work, or sometimes you do the duty of a woman like cleaning and also those, and apparently on Sundays part of it, which is his day of worship, somehow it may be a bit tricky because you are not equivalent to do a Sabbath on that day. So a bit it can be a challenging and it may take time, and sometimes it may bring rivalry or fight in the family, but God situated that family marriage is something which is ordained and should be respected. So whenever you part there, that is not a command of God. So a little bit it may be tricky to my point.
So hakuna ile story ya kila mtu astay kwa dini yake, like wewe kuja lakini kila mtu astay kwa dini yake?
No, not really, because in the book of Genesis, it always says that a man and a woman become one thing, and when you say that kila mtu anakuwa kwa dini yake, that are two people different, but God situated that it's a one person. So somehow we may be contradicting the work of the Lord. So people are you are situated to be one person, so it's not two people different.
Okay, so do you think ladies should make the first approach? If they see a guy, then they feel like, I want to hit this.
Not really. I can't stand to say that, because in a real sense, a man is the builder of the house, and a man is the key point of a home. So I think, in my own point, not only in the biblical way, if a woman come first to say that blah blah this and this, it may be a bit chaotic, because that is a way of lowering manhood. Seems like, let me take as example, I saw that you are attracting to me, that then I come and I approach you in a manner that, I love you. That cannot be a good thing. It may be like lowering the manhood. Let the man do his duty, a woman to do his duty also.
All right, thank you so much for your opinion. Let's get a listen to this one.
My name is Esther Dero. I'm from Lolongo Central SDA Church, under Lolongo District within Nairobi. So what I'll say about dating someone who's not a Seventh-day Adventist is, one, uh, your faiths do not align. Let us give, for example, someone who is a Catholic. He or she goes to church on Sunday while you go on church on Saturday. So how do you guys going to cope? Because one of you has to lie down for each other. And basically, if it is a man whom you're dating and I'm a woman who is a Seventh-day Adventist, then definitely I don't mean I have to join the man into his faith. But I've known the truth. I've learned the truth. To me, automatically, if I know the truth, then I will not want to go away out of my faith. And in the Bible, we are told all the Canaanites, the moment you go outside your faith, you're going to do or to behave as to how, the way they do it. If you're dating a Catholic, you're absolutely going to pray with the rosary. That is automatically. If you're even
Why is it not automatic that they should also abide with us?
Okay, I think for the Seventh-day Adventists, we've a little bit slept on our own side. Yes, we've slept a lot on our own side because, one, we don't take so many things seriously. Give an example of a Muslim. How a Muslim will not want to settle for anyone who is not a Muslim, but an SDA would want to settle for someone who is not a Seventh-day Adventist. So why would we do that? No, one is we are not strong on, we do not have a good foundation, maybe most of us. And then being the Sunday law is also driving us so crazy. We take our economics, our social life, and we also want to train because one, as a Seventh-day Adventist, if you're not training, people think that you're outdated. Look at my hair right now. Yes, but if you look at here where we are at KCA, 90% have planted ears, whereby that one is against the Bible traits. Yeah, that's the truth. Some of us are having the nails planted. Some of us are having the earrings. You know what?
So you feel that is right. You feel shaving is right.
For me, what I believe is shaving is okay. If that is how you can keep your hair, as long as you don't add anything artificial to it, because that is what the Bible says. Yeah, anything artificial you put on it, that is a sin. But as long as you can just keep it short, just be the real you. When at the Garden of Eden, God did everything that He added as a human being. That was enough. So there's nothing that you can ever put ahead. Like if I have fake nails, that doesn't mean I'm not real. I'm trying to tell God that you forgot something, and there's nothing that God created us that He forgot. We are complete.
What is your thought on ladies engaging, making the first approach?
Uh, Right in the Garden of Eden, I'll also go back. God did not create a woman first. He first of all created a man. And then out of a man's rib, we get a woman. So how literally are we going now to pick how do I now get a woman before a man? You know? They don't, we're even going out of the creation itself. You get? You're even going out of the creation itself. We are trying to tell God that what we are doing, what God did is automatically He forgot something. Yeah, that's what I can say. So if we read the Bible, if we stick to the fundamentals of the Bible, from the beginning, what did God say? How did He create? Then I think for the Seventh-day Adventists, we are good to go.
Okay, thank you so much. Wise opinions. Asante sana. It's nice to see you. Right. So there's so much opinion right here, and of course the engagement is ongoing. And marvelous grace of our loving Lord. If you look behind me, there's so many youths that are coming out now because the event is done. This has been organized by the Upper Nairobi Station Youth Rally that has been significant to the elements of grace. Even as we abide in it, there's so much gratification in all this. And of course, remember, there is a need for faith in action. The deliberation on all this, every youth from within and beyond has understood the context on a reality. Coming to a close, of course, in the best way possible, we'll be able to have a youth that is elevated to the best moment. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Get the Point Media. media, and of course, let's embrace this to the warmest way possible. And of course, all youths, let them engage. Not once, not twice, but forever till eternity. And of course, by the grace of the Lord, we'll continue impacting lives and lives more often and the days to come. Kwa sababu kulikuwa na mafunzo mingi zaidi, tukaelimishwa, tukafundishwa, tukajuzwa. Hebu tuelezee basi vile kulikuwa, si ndio?
Na kama kawaida ukituona hivyo tukiwa wawili, unajua Get the Point Media has done it at the best. Tumekuwa KCA University na kitu yenye nimetoka nayo mingi kubwa zaidi ni about finance. Get the Point Media tumewachukulia vitu mingi ambayo you can follow up, unaweza tufollow pale on all social media platforms at Get the Point Media, uweze kupata, uweze kuzisikiza zote. Na kitu naweza kuambia, the enemy is poverty. You know kitu nimetoka nayo. The enemy is poverty. Yani the enemy pia ni wewe. Ufikirie vizuri, you think smart and you fight that poverty as the biggest enemy. This is Jillian Kerubo and this is Get the Point Media. Of course, take a step forward.
All right. Thank you so much for that wonderful outro. And as well now, see you next time as we embrace other more engagements. This is Get the Point.
Get the point. Take a step forward.